Hello, Shadow Crafters. How are you doing? I got a package in today from AliExpress, and let's find out what we have. Huh. Sprinkles for my shaker molds. I'm hoping. Well, these are cute. I've gotten these before. These are new. Why do they always stick? Why do they always put pearls in there? Let's see what we got. Oh, these are cute. I ordered 50 grams of each. So let's find out what we got here. Okay, wait a minute. Mode. Okay. Wow, that's... Oh, wow. One of the other packages must have been... Oh, that's 53 grams. That's not bad. Can you read that? That's 55. Actually, I'm getting a little bit more than what I ordered. So I guess I shouldn't be complaining. There's a Halloween mix. I don't know how they put this stuff in slime and have it stay. But, oh, there they go. Yep. Tiny little pumpkins. I love this. This is so cute. Yeah, they're a little bit heavier than 50 grams. I think I'm getting quite a bit here. I love this. This is another Christmas mix, because right now I'm getting Christmas and Halloween molds. I love this. 50 yen and almost. Oh, wait. Wow. That's so cool. Another Christmas mix. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the little presents. Those are so cute. And I don't know if they're the same penguins from the first. Yeah, they're the same penguins. That's 50 grams. This is nice. I was thinking the bags were a little bit small, but because they originally came in this bag. Okay, 5, 6, okay, 7. I like this especially because it has the blue mixed in with it. Oh, is that a little tree? I can't tell, it's a little off. What else we got mixed in it? Oh, just sprinkles, that's it. And some females. Still cute. So, everybody, tell me which one you like the most. A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. And tell me why. And tell me if you use them in shaker molds or if you use them in polymer clay sculptures or what. I mean, let me know, because I'm bored. I need to talk to somebody. Have a good day. Namaste. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, buy me coffee, like, share, the whole 9. Thank you very much for being there. Bye.